Little storyteller.
Lily had a box of bright crayons and a big blue felt board. On the board she had soft fuzzy shapes, yellow suns, white clouds, and blue raindrops. Lily loved to draw happy faces on her crayon sun and fluffy smiles on her crayon clouds. One sunny morning, Lily held up her crayon sun. Sunny. Sunny had bright yellow rays and a big happy grin. Lily moved a fuzzy yellow sun to the felt board. "Good morning," Lily said in a sunny voice. "Today Sunny says it will be a warm and happy day." The next day, Lily held up her crayon cloud. Cloudy. Cloudy was big and white with a sweet sleepy smile. Lily placed a fluffy white cloud on the felt board. "Hello," Lily said softly. "Cloudy says it might sprinkle a little today. Just gentle raindrops for the flowers." She added a few blue felt raindrops under Cloudy. One morning, Lily couldn't decide if it would be sunny or cloudy. So, she drew a sun cloudy. One half was bright yellow with a sunny smile, and the other half was soft white with a sleepy smile. Lily put both a fuzzy sun and a fluffy cloud on the felt board, snuggled close together. "Today," Lily said, "it will be a little bit sunny and a little bit cloudy. That means we can have the best of both." Every day, Lily and her crayon weather friends gave their felty forecast. Sunny told everyone when it was a good day to play outside. Cloudy reminded them that rain helps the flowers grow tall and strong. And Sun Cloudy showed them that sometimes things can be a little bit of both. Lily learned that the weather can change, but every kind of day is special in its own way.
Please subscribe. Thank you.